I, of course, had a wonderful experience at Alcuin growing up for many years, all the way from toddler to 8th grade. And so I was certainly biased when we went through the process with our children. Alcuin just had that special sauce, that recipe that I think is incredibly difficult to replicate.
It caters to this child-centered, the student-centered way of life.
Yeah, I want their life. I want to take their trips. So, that's a fascinating aspect of this school. What they see and learn and the interaction with the other students is just amazing.
Monthly, you'll see them growing in some way or another, whether it's the love for learning or the interest in generally academics or athletics.
I have two boys, twins. They are freshmen in high school this year. They're both very different, so that's kind of a fun experience to go through as a parent. One of them is really much into sports, so he plays on a lot of teams at school. The other one likes things like robotics or drawing or art, so he's drawn to that and he's part of that as well. So.
My daughter, she plays tennis, she plays soccer, she's interested in swimming and she does that. And she has the opportunity to learn all of those to be able to pursue that.
I think just the way the curriculum is designed, it's designed to inspire kids and to allow them to pursue their own interests, even from a very young age.